Hello friends, go to front plane, sketch, select spline, draw from here like this. Okay, and close the curve. Make it 5 mm. We have to smooth the curve. You can adjust it like this. Okay, like here, little bit here. Okay, click OK, exit, go to surface, select fill surface. Our surface is filled. Now go to thicken command, select this surface, make it 0.5 mm. Okay, now go to insert, go to feature, select dome command, select this surface, make it 2 mm. Now our shape look like dome. Okay, now go to front plane, go to sketch, select corner rectangle, start from this point, end it up to here, select smart dimension, select this and make it 1.9 mm. Select this and let's make it 1.5 mm. Okay, select again corner rectangle, draw from here, end it up to here. Okay, select smart dimension, select this and this line and make it 0.25 mm. Okay, now this and this line make it 0.25 mm. Okay, now trim entities, trim these lines, click OK. Now go to feature, select extruded boss, make it mid plane, extrude up to 1 mm. Okay, now go to reference geometry, select plane, select this surface and make plane up to 0.8 mm. Okay, then select this plane and go to sketch, make it normal, select line, start from this point and end it up to here, select spline, start from this point, draw small curve like this. Okay, now go to feature, go to reference geometry, select plane and create plane on this point. Okay, select plane and go to sketch, select center rectangle, draw on this point, select smart dimension, make it 1 mm and this line make it 0.5 mm. Okay, now go to feature, select swept boss, select this rectangle and this arc. Okay, now select fillet, choose this edge, make it 2 mm, click OK. Now select mirror command, select right plane, select bodies to mirror this body, click OK, uncheck merge solid. Okay, Now go to front plane, select sketch, make it normal, select arc, 3-point arc, draw arc like this. Okay, now exit, go to reference geometry and create plane on this arc. Okay, now select this plane and go to sketch, select circle, draw one circle like this, make it 1 mm, sorry 0.7 mm. Okay, go to feature, select sweep boss command. Okay, now go to front plane, go to sketch, select this surface and convert it by convert entities. Okay, now go to reference geometry, select plane and create plane on this converted entity. Select this arc properly and this point. Our plane is created. Click OK. Now select this plane and go to sketch. Select circle. Draw on this point. Select smart dimension and make it, select it and make it 1.2 mm. Okay. Now go to feature. Select sweep boss command. Select this circle and this arc. Click OK. Now select mirror command. Select right plane and select in feature to mirror. Select this object. Okay. Now select these surfaces. Okay, this surface. Go to appearances. Go to glass, thick glass. Select this glass. Click OK. Now select remaining surfaces and make it black color. Thanks for watching, friends.